IGC right now. Hurricane Milton just coming to Florida. Oh God, it's about to hit Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. What? Canaveral? Oh God, I hope the trucks won't make it. They need to evacuate to Florida, right? Oh, I mean, they need to evacuate to San Francisco. I hope people are safe in Miami, Hollywood, Fort Lauderdale, Tampa, and Jacksonville. Oh my God. It was close due to the hurricane. Port St. Lucie. Damn, it just happened to me. My favorite state, so this is where my friend lives in here. I hope he was okay.